Fascinating facts about snakes. Snakes are among the most misunderstood and intriguing creatures on Earth. Found on every continent except Antarctica, they range from tiny thread snakes just a few inches long to massive pythons that stretch over 30 feet. This article explores a wide array of facts about snakes, from their biology and behavior to their evolutionary adaptations and cultural significance. 1. Classification and diversity. Snakes belong to the order Squamata, which they share with lizards. They are part of the suborder Serpentes. There are over 3,700 known species of snakes, making them one of the most diverse reptile groups. These species are divided into several families, including Colubridae, the largest family, comprising around 2/3 of all snake species. Elapidae includes venomous snakes like cobras, mambas, and coral snakes. Viperidae, home to vipers and pit vipers, known for their long fangs and potent venom. Boidae and Pythonidae include boas and pythons, known for their constriction method of subduing prey. 2. Anatomy and physiology. Limbless adaptation. Snakes are limbless reptiles, having evolved from lizard-like ancestors. Over time, they lost their limbs to better adapt to burrowing and slithering. Some primitive snakes, like boas and pythons, still have vestigial hind limb bones called pelvic spurs. Flexible skulls. A snake's skull is extremely flexible, with loosely connected jaws. This allows them to consume prey much larger than their head. They do not dislocate their jaws, as commonly believed, but rather stretch their ligaments to open their mouths wide. Scales and shedding. Snakes are covered in scales made of keratin. These scales help in locomotion and protection. Snakes periodically shed their skin in a process called ecdysis, which helps remove parasites and allows for growth. Unique senses. Smell. Snakes rely heavily on smell. They use their forked tongues to collect scent particles and transfer them to the Jacobson's organ, vomeronasal organ, on the roof of their mouths. Vision. While not all snakes have great eyesight, some, especially tree-dwelling species, have keen vision. Heat detection. Pit vipers, boas, and pythons can detect infrared radiation from warm-blooded prey through specialized pit organs. Hearing. Snakes lack external ears but detect vibrations through their jawbones, which are in contact with the ground. 3. Locomotion and movement. Despite lacking limbs, snakes have evolved various ways of moving. Serpentine, lateral undulation, the most common mode, where the snake makes an S-shaped motion. Concertina, used in tight spaces like burrows. Sidewinding, seen in desert species like the sidewinder rattlesnake, minimizing contact with hot sand. Rectilinear, used by large snakes like boas and pythons, involving muscles to push their belly scales forward. 4. Feeding and digestion. Snakes are carnivorous and can